Hello everyone. Today we discuss variable separation method of differential equation. This particular method is very important for BCA and BSc courses. So let's start with some more important problems. First problem, solve the differential equation e to the power y into 1 plus x square dy dx minus 2x into 1 plus e to the power y equal to 0. So we first separate both the variables, variable y and x. So we consider e to the power y by 1 plus e to the power y dy minus 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Consider here 1 plus e to the power y equal to z, then e to the power y dy equal to dz, and 1 plus x square equal to u, that implies 2x dx equal to du. So let's put in the original equation. We get that dz by z minus du by u equal to 0. Then integrating both sides, we get log mod z minus log mod u equal to log mod c, where c be the arbitrary constant. So we get that log z by u mod equal to log mod c. Next, substituting the values z and u, we get 1 plus e to the power y by 1 plus x square equal to c. That is 1 plus e to the power y equal to c into 1 plus x square. That's the answer. Next, another important problem, that is, here also we solve the differential equation x square minus yx square into dy plus y square plus xy square dx equal to 0. So again we separate both the variables x and y. We get that x square into 1 minus y dy plus y square into 1 plus x dx equal to 0, which gives us, after separating both the variables, that is 1 minus y by y square dy plus 1 plus x by x square dx equal to 0. That is 1 by y square minus 1 by y dy plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x dx equal to 0. After integrating both sides, we get that after integrating we get minus 1 by y, and dy by y, after integration we get log mod y. Similarly for that. So which gives us log mod x by y equal to c plus x plus y by xy. This is the answer. Next, solve the differential equation y dy dx equal to x root over 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square into y square. Now, first from this expression we get that after taking common 1 plus x square, we get this full root over 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square becomes 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. So now this original equation is same as y dy equal to x root over 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square dx. So after separation of variables, we get y by root over 1 plus y square dy equal to x root over 1 plus x square dx. Next, again considering root over 1 plus y square as z and root over 1 plus x square as u. So taking differential both sides, we get 2y dy equal to 2z dz. That is, so this original expression will become z dz by z equal to u square du. So after integration, we get z equal to e cube by 3 plus c, where c be the arbitrary constant. Next, substituting the values for z and u, we get z equal to root over 1 plus y square and u equal to root over 1 plus x square. So the answer B, root over 1 plus y square equal to 1 by 3 root over 1 plus x square whole cube plus c. That's it. Next, this is our last problem. Again here, solve the differential equation dy dx equal to minus y square plus y plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. First, taking separation of variable, we get dy by y square plus y plus 1 equal to minus dx by x square plus x plus 1. Next, this original equation y square plus y plus 1 can be written as in that form, that is something square plus something square. So this will become dy by y plus half square plus 3 by 4. Similarly for second one, that is minus dx by x plus half square plus 3 by 4. So using integration we get 1 by root over 3 by 4, since considering this as root over 3 by 4 square. So 1 by root over 3 by 4 tan inverse y plus half by root over 3 by 4 equal to minus, for that negative sign, 1 by root over 3 by 4 tan inverse x plus half by root over 3 by 4 plus constant, c be the arbitrary constant. So after cancelling these constant terms, we get tan inverse y plus half by root over 3 by 4 plus tan inverse x plus half by root over 3 by 4 equal to c dash, where c dash be again an arbitrary constant. That's my answer. Thank you.